When you're looking at Verizon versus Total Wireless, you're essentially comparing the premium experience of a top US carrier with a budget-friendly version that runs on the exact same network, but the differences show up in data, speeds, and in features. Beginning with Verizon, it's a full package. You get priority access to their Ultra 5G wideband and LTE, meaning faster speeds even during peak congestion. Unlimited plans often include premium data allowances, hotspot usage, international roaming, and perks like streaming subscriptions or discounts on devices. The trade-off is price. Well, the Verizon is one of the most expensive carriers, with a single-line unlimited plan often running $70 or more in a month. Now, Total Wireless. It recently folded into Verizon's value lineup. You still get access to the same coverage map, but a much lower cost. Plans often start around $30 to $40. The catch? Speed. Your data is deprioritized, which means when Verizon's network is busy, your connection slows before the premium users. Plans also tend to have capped high-speed data, with hotspot usage limited or not included. Stripped down, no streaming perks, no premium extras, but much lighter on the wallet. Real user feedback mirrors this. Verizon customers highlight rock-solid reliability, top-tier speeds, while Total Wireless users love the savings and the coverage, but some complain about sudden slowdowns and a lack of extras. So which one makes sense? If you rely on fast, uninterrupted data for work or travel, Verizon's premium service, very hard to beat. But if your priority is keeping the bank while still enjoying the same nationwide coverage, Total Wireless offers a serious value, just without the bells and whistles. Would you pay extra for speed and perks, or save big with a lighter plan? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.